Hello guys, this is my first video on YouTube. So I'm going to make crunchy cold coffee. So the ingredients what we need, here they are. This is the almonds, cashew nuts and walnuts. Here is a sugar, powdered sugar we use, and here it is coffee, and this is elaichi, and this is a coffee syrup, and here it is milk and ice cubes. So now we make a coffee. Now we take a milk and put it in the jar, and then take a first of all we just take a 2 spoons of water and put it in the bowl and make a thick paste. It's look like this, and you just take a 2 spoons of coffee and put it in the jar. Here it is. Now we put the 2.5 spoons of sugar. Now we take nuts powder. I already told about it. You just put it in. Yay! And take some elaichi as per your taste, and take 1 syrup this of ice and close it, and you just start your mixing. Now our coffee is ready. Now we just make some presentation here. We just take a coffee syrup and put it here like this. It's look very presentable. And put it here and just fill a glass with this. See, it's look very pretty. Our shake is almost ready. Now sprinkle some coffee over it. It looks very pretty. See? Now we just put little bit of crunchy nuts and put 1 elaichi over here. Now coffee syrup are ready. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe and like my video.